All right, let's dive into a really radical new way of thinking about ethics in the age of AI. It's an approach that basically throws the old playbook out the window and drops us right into the complex, messy, tech-filled world we actually live in. So let's start with a big question. Are 100-year-old teaching methods really enough to prepare the people building our digital future? I mean, think about it. The answer is pretty clearly no. Traditional ethics classes, the ones with dusty textbooks, they can feel totally disconnected from the reality of coding and algorithms. And that's a problem because the choices made in code don't just stay in code, they ripple out and shape our entire society. The world has just changed so much. We've gone from talking about theory and hypothetical cases to a world where we're dealing with live algorithms, we have AI teammates, and we're interacting in virtual worlds with avatars. The ethical puzzles aren't just thought experiments anymore, they are literally built into the systems we use every single day. So, how do we possibly bridge that gap? Well, let's take a look at a really innovative answer. It's a university course, actually, called SEID 2364 that does something wild. It turns the classroom itself into a living, breathing experiment in ethics. The whole idea is to stop studying ethics from a distance. Instead, students are totally immersed in it. They run into real ethical dilemmas inside the very communication tools they're using for the class. So, learning isn't just a thing they read about, it's a thing they do. And this is what that looks like. It's this dynamic, multimodal environment. So one day, they might be in a face-to-face workshop, the next, they're in a seminar in virtual reality. They're constantly working together in forums, and get this, even having conversations that are mediated by an AI. It's all designed to mirror the crazy complexity of our modern lives. And this quote just nails the philosophy here. Every single interaction, whether it's with a person on Zoom or a custom-built AI, becomes a piece of data they can analyze ethically. The communication itself is the material, it's the substance of the experiment.